Yeah, this is the mall elevator at Ross Park Mall. Here's the mall elevator here at Ross Park Mall in North Pittsburgh. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Yeah, it really shouldn't be on here, but you know, I've always flouted the rules. Oh, well, that frail definitely bend the rule. Yeah, it shouldn't be on here right now, so try to be careful here. Here are 2. Go down to 1. Go down to 1. It's a nice elevator. Innovation Universal, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. 5,000 pound capacity. Elevator number 1. This is the only public elevator in the mall common area. These are Adams chevron lanterns. Dad, go ahead, back up. Let's go back up to 2. Whoa, man, this thing's low on oil. Still an epic motor. It's getting low on oil though. Scared to have you. Sorry, Simon. 1. Door closed when you push the button. I like that. Nice ceiling. Really nice wood tabs for an elevator. Especially considering it's in the Simon Mall. Installed in 1986, modernized in 2017. You going up?
Yeah. Thank you.
There we go, got it for you. There that goes in. That's it.